Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I want to show you on how to use Canva to create invoices. So let's get started. First thing you want to do, log into your Canva account, the dashboard area. If you don't have a Canva, just navigate to canva.com and create your free version. To create an invoice in Canva, from my home area, I'll navigate into the search area and type in invoice. I'll press on enter so that Canva gives me all the available options to use as invoices. Now, from the different options that are provided here, depending on my business and the branding that I'll want, then it's time for me to choose. If I find this to be the best, I'll click on it once, and from the flyout menu, I'll select Customize this template. Notice that I also have other templates that are more like what I have selected. I'll navigate into Custom this template, and Canva will open the template in design mode. This is where I have the ability to manipulate the template to suit my needs. Well, this is how it looks like. It's just a single page. So some of the elements here are very independent and can be edited individually. For example, if I don't like the logo up here, I'll navigate into the upload option and upload my own logo. Notice I can get it from my computer or use the available tools. I'll navigate here. I had already uploaded, so I'll pick the logo and I'll bring it at the very top section here. I'll squeeze it in so that it's a little bit visible and erase the other logos that are available here. Once this is done, we will go ahead and customize the different invoice numbers that are there and even the equipment that have been purchased on that very specific day. Don't forget to include your bank account details or the payment details that are useful for your client to pay with, and even include the terms and conditions. Best part you'll understand is that you can edit this text to suit exactly how you're looking at it. For example, I can change the text font, the colors, the sizes, depending on how my branding rhymes with the template. Once this is done and you feel good about it, you navigate into the share option and download this by hitting the download option. From the download, I'll select a PDF and flatten that and hit on the download. And there we go. You can now use Canva to create an invoice for your business. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.